Okay, so we're going to look at editing, some useful shortcuts to speed up editing, because it's obviously something you do a lot of. If you want to cut a clip, you can select the razor tool here, but using the keys, if you press C, you'll see that the razor toggles to the razor tool there, and then you can place a cut where the playhead is. That'll cut the clip, you can see there. And then if you press V, you can select the sections of clips. If you decide that you want to undo a cut, you can Control Z to undo, or just recut that, or selecting the arrow, pressing V, you can right click over the cut and select join through edits, and that will rejoin the clip together. Okay, another useful tool is the Ripple Edit tool here, which is shortcut B. And again, what you can do here is you can adjust a clip. So it's adjusting the ends of a clip, so dragging the ends of a clip. So if I drag this clip in to reduce the size of it, the subsequent clips snap into place behind it. Yeah, so it's great for just adjusting a sequence in that way. What's also really useful with the Ripple Edit tool is you can see it's turning yellow when we place it at the end of a clip. So if I drag this clip in, you can see in the Program View window up above there, it's showing us the clip that I'm altering and the subsequent clip after it, so we can kind of see how those two are going to fit together. So you can see on the left the clip I'm reducing, and the clip on the right is going to play after it. So again, that's a useful little feature. Okay, and also you can see that obviously we can alter the end of a clip if I want to adjust the start of a clip. Again, in the program window up above, you can see that it's showing the two clips. The one on the right now is the one that I'm adjusting, so I'm adjusting the start point of that clip. We can see the clip that's going to play before it. Okay, there's also the rate stretch tool, which is here, which you'll find underneath the nested underneath the Ripple Edit tool. So click and hold the Ripple Edit tool. We've got the rate stretch tool. So say for example this clip here, I wanted to keep all the essential frames in there, but I just wanted to speed that frame up, that clip up a bit. What I can do with the rate stretch tool is I can grab the end of the clip and just adjust that, bring it in a bit, shorten it, and you'll see that all the essential action is still there. It's just speeded up slightly. And then obviously that's going to leave a gap here. So to remove the gap, if I press V again to select the pointer tool, I can click in this space here that I want to remove, press delete. You might have to do it twice, so click again, press delete, and then that's just nudge the subsequent clip up to the end of it.